Here we are, another camping trip. We have a lovely sunny day, expecting maybe 13 degrees. Not a cloud in the sky. It's just perfect. It was almost like driving in England or Scotland on a big road. So, made it. Now it's time to start to carry things. A lot of things. Big tent, awning, wood stove, wood, sleep system, kitchen stuff. But it's a lovely day. It's a lovely, lovely day. It's looks beautiful. It says 7.5 degrees Celsius. So hopefully, and there is absolutely no wind. Looks good, looks very promising, right? So I started with my chair, sitting in my chair and swivel around. Doors with a window, and I'm gonna put a window in the front, and then I think I'll give the awning a try. That didn't take 10 seconds, it's so easy, just a zipper. And as I said previous video, that these still attached on the outside and can go down and cover up. That's lovely. So this is my setup for tonight. Plenty of space. I didn't bother with the inner tent. There shouldn't be bugs really annoying me. I think it's too cold. The wood stove, the window. This is nice. So, just started the stove. So it's not because it's cold, not that cold at least, but comfort. And I think I said last time that might have been the last hot tent for the season, but it's happening, so we'll see if there will be more. Anyway, so I'm gonna enjoy the stove, and well, I'm not ready for dinner yet. 2 hours maybe. I think now, since we changed the time last Saturday or Sunday, I think we're looking at sunset at 7:30 maybe. 20 to 8, 1941. And it's 5 now, so it's plenty of time. So I think we're ready for cooking, making some dinner. So I got my cutting board, my knife, my pan, wood stove, and kitchen stuff. And what else do I need? Food. I need food, so I'll go get food. So we got barbecue spiced potatoes, steak, and got some mushroom and tomato as well, but maybe I save that for tomorrow with the breakfast. And I got garlic butter. But first I need to heat up the pan. I think that's a good idea. And need some oil. And I need some, what do you call it, kitchen utensils. Here, and oh, it's hot. Let's go in with some potatoes. That'll be good, I think. And I actually think I can go in with the steaks quite. Like that. So actually I think the steaks are done. So yeah, I'll go for it. Why not? So let's put the pan. Steaks, beef. There we are. And with the potatoes. So let's give it a try. Potato. It's hot. Some garlic butter. Steak. It's good. Cheers. Good. I had one of those senior moments. Sorry, at that age. I was looking for my phone because I thought I put it there, and I was looking and couldn't find it. Well, there it is. Plain eyesight on the tripod. Yeah, what do you see? What do you say about trees and the woods, lands and everything? You can't see anything. So there it is. Thank you. Dinner is finished. And just look at this. Oh, sorry. There we go. This is so beautiful. Bit of a breeze picking up. Now this is days we will remember when it gets dark again. That looks nice, gotta say. Yeah, not bad. I can do that. Feeling good. Got the sun. Oh, that's a woodpecker. Good morning. It's a chilly morning. Been a couple of minus degrees. There's frost on the tent, but I started the wood stove, so it's all good. And I just got a brew on. Morning coffee. And last night it was the moon was up and there was no clouds. There were actually shadows from trees and everything in the middle of the night. It was spectacular. Too bright to see the stars. I could see some, but it was almost like the blue hour continued. And not much wind. Basically nothing. Sun is up just behind the trees. So it was a weird night. I didn't sleep that good, and I had crazy dreams all night. Just got stuck in different situations, and I can't remember everything, but dreamt, woke up, new dream, wake up. I did woke up at around 1 o'clock. I was quite cold. I had the Enlightened Equipment quilt revelation, no, something like that. I think it's down to 30 Fahrenheit, and we were a little bit below that, and I'm a cold sleeper, so I actually had to put on my down jacket, and then I was okay. So, gonna enjoy the coffee, and yeah, have a nice morning. So, so this is almost the end of this trip. Heading home, celebrate Easter with my son and my wife and my father-in-law, and yeah, I could stay here all day, but I had a good day yesterday, and this morning has been beautiful as well. Not a cloud in the sky. It's yeah, it's been a good trip. Spinning around. So yeah, there is a bit of mess. Wood stove over there, tent, ground sheet, chair, everything. So I'm gonna finish up, and well, enjoy your Easter if you have some days off, and see you next time.